Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuz by Reggie here. Quick unboxing real quick. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. I am here on a Sunday, the night after the Earl Spence and Terrence Crawford fight. I won me $50. I did think it'd be a little bit closer fight than that, but whatever happened, right? So today we have an unboxing of a new JRL. Now this is not the new one. This is the one that I have been using. I have the Ever Since blade on there, which I wasn't a fan of the Ever Since blade, but once I put it on here, it's been cool. But this is their gold and black version of the JRL. Now, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know for a little while I took me a break from Instagram. I tried to just step away for a second. Came back, right when I came back, I seen there was a pre-order for a JRL clipper. Me being me, I gotta look and see what the difference is. I gotta jump on it because even if it's a different color scheme, a different blade, I'm gonna try it. But the thing that was getting me was this IQ reset button that at this moment, I don't know a lot about, but we're gonna try to see what it is, right? So the other day, I got this package from JRL. And they did not send me this one. I know a lot of people think that I get everything sent and I actually don't buy clippers anymore. I wish that was the case. I still do buy some stuff, right? But along with the package, I got me a water bottle from them. They did send me this. This is just like one of those plastic neck collar thingamajiggers. It's good for like when you washing beers at your station or you just need to clean the beer. It's good for stuff, right? For stuff. It's good for stuff, right? Got me some alligator claws, clippers, whatever you want to call them. But this I did not order. They did send me this, which is a comb set, right? Comes in their nice little leather case. So got me some nice little combs. Of course, I like the red. I am a fan of red. If y'all haven't noticed, red and black is like me, right? But that's all good. That ain't even what we're here to talk about, right? What we're here to talk about is this. It's the Onyx FF 2020C B. Right? So that is the package. As of now, it looks just like the original packaging. If y'all been following my page for a while, it wasn't my first review, but it was one of the earliest reviews that I did on my channel when I didn't know if I was gonna be reviewing or all that stuff. But I did a review of the 2020C, and that was one of my first packages that I did a unboxing of and all that stuff. But nonetheless, here we are. Like I said, so far the package seems the same. It's a Cool Blade technology, lithium-ion battery, 5-hour runtime with 2.5-hour charge time. Advanced lever locking feature maintains lever secure for extended use. I don't know if that's something that necessarily needed to be added, but high-grade stainless steel stationary blade, titanium moving blade, 7,500 RPM, low noise. Of course, we already know the 2020Cs are already quiet. This is like mine that I've been using for years. And I'm not here to compare, but I do want to let you know where it came from, right? The difference with this one is it does include a charging dock. Now that's where the patent IQ reset thing comes in at, because it has a button on it that's supposed to do something. But again, I don't know what that's all about, but we'll get to that once I use them, review them, and all that stuff. So like it says here, y'all can see it. Patented IQ patented reset IQ charge technology expands battery life, which I'm not understanding. So when I was reading up about it, it says last 3 hours or 5 hours. That "or" is what gets me, because if it's a battery, why wouldn't you just make it the full 5 hours instead of a "or"? Like, that's what I gotta see what the reset is all about. But Anyway, rotary motor. It does have the 2 speeds as the original one, so that's cool. All right, let's get into it. Again, same box as the original JRL, the 2020C. This is where all your information is. Nothing on the packaging except for the JRL logo. Let's get this open. All right, same thing. Now, like I said, the only difference with this one in the packaging is it does come with the charging dock. Let's move the clipper out the way and actually see what comes in it. Now, when I ordered this on pre-order, this was $200. They didn't charge for shipping, and it came in about 2 weeks or so. And it was on pre-order, so I was waiting. I actually expected it to be a little longer than that, but we got it. It was about 2 weeks. Pamphlet here, your information. Maybe I will read this one to really see what that 5-hour charge is on. Here's your charging cable. You get the, see that nice screwdriver. So they actually was the one in the original one that had this little nice handy dandy screwdriver in it. I kind of wish they would have made it the same the same black and yellow color to make it look industrial, right? It's all black, it's plastic. It's cool though. It's just a screwdriver. Nothing against them. The clipper oil, and this is their cleaning thing. You put in between there, it pushes that hair out, which has been a great tool to have. It also works on a few of the Stylecraft and Gamma blades as well. All right, and it does come with its guards. I didn't use their guards. Well, I did, but these seem a little bit more durable than the original one, so they seem a little bit different. And then you do get up to a, what do you get? 6, 7. You do get up to the 8. The 8 guard, starting from the half guard. So you get a full set of durable premium guards that, hey, we'll see what they are. All right, let's get this out of here. Uh-oh, don't drop nothing. Don't drop nothing early. Now, this is the charging dock. And of course, they have released charging docks for their 2020C original, but it didn't have this. It didn't have this button here at the front. So that's something different. Of course, you get the charging port. I have to see what that, I don't quite understand, but we will see. But this is the machine. Comes with our fade blade, all black. Still the click lever system. 1, 2. Still got the 5 positioning, so nothing different there. Power. The 2 speeds, 6,000 RPM, 7,500 RPM. So it still got the same design here. What's that say? 5 hours there. 5 hours on the low speed right now. And if I kick it up, it kicks down to, which will make sense because the higher speed will use more battery, more power, and all that good stuff. All right. Nice little indentation here that was not on the back in the sense of down here. This is just the round cylinder here. This one has, now they both have the same indentation there, but here it's a little different. As far as weight, it's about the same. Length, about the same. So that's it. So it seems like the main difference is, now this is a little bit slimmer as well. Maybe a little bit slimmer. But it seems like the main difference is the charging thing. But let me scan through this and see if it say anything. Okay. So the IQ in this seems to be that it has a option to fast charge. From reading it, it seems like if you just set it on there, it takes 5 hours to get a full 5-hour charge, which is crazy. And then you can switch it to fast charge, it would take 2.5 hours to charge, which I don't know the reasoning to do it, but it seemed like you would always want to have it on the rapid charge, so just include a rapid charge. But maybe someone else have a different reason. Okay. All right, so we're gonna plug this up and at least see what we got going on before we now. I don't have any clients today, so I'm not gonna be able to use it today. So this will just be a video of unboxing. Let's see. All right. It says the green light turn on. Press the button once on the base. White light turns on, the set mode, rapid charge, blah blah blah. Approximately. So I'm guessing we're gonna see about this. It kind of seems cool, but almost pointless at the moment. We're gonna see. We're gonna see because okay, I see it now. It still does seem kind of pointless, but can y'all see these lights right here? This light above this one is on, which means we're on the rapid charge. Then I change it here and we're on regular charge, which is, I don't know. We're gonna see how it performs. But as of now, this rapid charge option kind of seems pointless because it seems like once you turn it to the rapid charging, you would always just leave it on the rapid charge. Maybe it's something with the I know like if you got certain phones can't charge as fast. Like if you got a certain phone, you can't put a 60-watt charger on it or 50-watt, 40-watt because it'll burn out the battery quicker. Like it'll charge faster, but it will run out the battery quicker. So maybe that's giving you the option to, hey, don't rapid charge all the time. Overnight, if you need to, put it on the charger, let it charge normally, and go from there. Which, I guess that makes sense. I do want to see if Crazy Good, if this charging port will work with the JRL dock that Crazy Good has, but we'll see. First, I'm gonna use it with this charging dock, see how it goes, see how it operates. But that is the main JRL Onyx. This is the Onyx FF2020C. I'm pretty sure they're calling it Onyx because of the deep black. I do like the other one the first one was black and like a little silver transition to it. This one is all black, which I do like, but we'll see. We'll see how it operates. If you have tried out this new clipper from JRL, let me know what you think about the charging dock. Is it something that you would be interested in, or does it seem kind of a waste? With that being said, we'll see how it works. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And I'll be back with another unboxing. I'll definitely be back with a review of this, with tutorials and all that good stuff. But the main thing is to see how this performs anyway. So we'll see. Peace.